Welcome back, guys, to a new video. So today we're gonna do pranks like this one. Wait, and it all set up. See? We can do pranks. Oh, is there somebody in the server? Oh, there's people in the server. So yeah, we're gonna do pranks and defying gravity. Okay, we didn't quite reach.
Behind you, who just wants to eat.
I think he heard that.
Wait, I'm being so for real. Nova, I'm gonna introduce you to Abadi Omega. Come here. Oh, not the sound. Okay. Who just did that? Who just did that?
Who did? We got OVO.
I muted him.
Booga booga.
So your Omega over there is waiting for you. Oh, she just left you. She said that she don't want you. She said that you look a homie. She said that she was mad because she caught you with Seta over here. And she said she called you a homie.
That's good.
And she said that she didn't like seeing you with strawberry pink Seta over there. Because she said that Seta looks a hot mess and that she's way better. And she also said that Seta looks like she came straight out of Berry Avenue. Okay, Seta, girl, you gotta stand up because there's a lot of shade being thrown around saying that you look like you came from Berry Avenue, your hair ain't cute, you look botched. Girl, say something.
Yo, Chad, do you not suck my grandma's toes?
And anyone who says it's me spreading these rumors is lying. I did not spread these rumors.
They're lying.
Are you trying to say something? Yeah,
My
exactly.
bad.
Exactly. Trying to call me a liar. And you trying to call the baddie a liar.
Oh, she left. Ooh.
Okay, wait. I failed to comprehend why so many of y'all are quiet, but so many of y'all are surrounding me. Like, I know I'm a baddie with a baddie fatty, but y'all need to say something. Y'all need to say something. I'm tired. I'm tired of the silence. Okay. Why does it feel like I got a heroin? Yeah. Okay, chill. Wait, guys, I felt so important just now. Like, I was standing up for the woman. I felt so like I was advocating for women rights. I felt so feminist. Uh-oh.
My name is Anna Dingus.
Okay, Ooga Booga, you really need to get out of my face. You doing too much. Wait, I have you muted. How do I unmute you? Oh. Okay, wait. Speak your truth.
Ella?
Oh my gosh.
This is my voice, gang.
Wait,
Respect
Tatiana,
Raphael.
Okay, I'm gonna go explore.
Exploring the sassy backer world.
Wait, I look so cute.
Be like 21. Hey, bro, you
I
got
know y'all see this. I know I look bad. Wait, I look so good. Oh my gosh. Can y'all move? Can y'all move so I can see myself? Like, the baddie is trying to see herself. Okay, y'all are just literally my... Oh my gosh, I'm so bad. I'm so thick. I'm so bad.
You're walking back.
Ugh. I know you did not just burp in front of me.
Huh?
I said I know you did not just burp in front of me. Loud ass.
Why do you look like that? Dude, can you stop spamming your song, bro, please?
Please. gosh, we picked a cat. Oh my gosh. You see, she's so
Anyways,
classy.
you wanna hear my beat? I'm at my first beat.
All of a sudden, I adopted this cat, and anyone who speaks bad on this cat will have to go through me.
Yeah, Ovo, do you wanna hear my first beat? I'm at my own first beat. You wanna hear
Yes,
it?
so. Yes, so.
Oh my
Okay,
gosh.
hold on. Let me,
That's so
get it right
cute.
Oh, come on.
I know you did not just step on my cat with your built body.
Okay,
boxed
okay,
up.
hold on. Please don't be mean, man. Don't be mean. I'm not that good, by the way. Wait for the beat drop.
Okay, you know what? I feel like you're just trying to be the man version of me.
Wait for the beat drop.
Your blonde bot balayage does not look
Why are you running away?
Come here, you blonde hair.
It's a good beat.
Come here. Let me see. Come here. Come here.
I
What are you
didn't,
doing?
nah, I didn't even know you were whoa.
You're so skibbity. You're so fun and cat.
Okay, you see, this is
No,
an
no.
example
Get out,
of
get out.
detail.
What a good boy.
Hold
Yo,
on.
no, come back.
Come
back.
on, you just want
Come
to.
back.
I don't like Pepsi. I'm sorry, dude. I'm sorry. What's blessing my ears at 9 a.m.
Nah, hold on. Video.
Yeah, it's 9 a.m. for me.
Yo, why are you stealing my bank information, bro? Yo, why are you stealing my bank information? Yo, no, you dirty. Nah, not mate. Say no. You didn't break my ankle. Yo, you bet, bro. This guy stole my money. Yo, someone tell him to stop. No, come back.
Get away.
I don't care. He stole my bank information. Oh hell yeah. This will pay for it. Get back here. Yeah. Get back here now.
Boys like not lie. You motherfuckers can't deny. And when a girl walks in,
Okay.
Yeah, he just messed up.
And it was in a different game,
I'm a big
okay?
fan.
So I'm gonna say a lot of stuff to you, but your body build
Hold on. Do you like music?
bad body build. So you feel bad, and when you're not bad,
Do you like music?
No, I don't like music, bro. It's good. It's chill. I don't like
you have a
music.
bunch of body hours in your
Do you
body.
like music?
Thank you
for telling me, bestie.
Come here. Come
Okay,
here.
listen. That one, I just need to get a lot of people out because
You a little
there was like a ton of
Come
people
on,
in a
man.
different
Come on. You
game,
gotta.
and him and
Yeah,
You
you
gotta
got it, bro. Come on.
rate
Show
it.
it.
Okay, it's my first beat. Don't beat me, man.
Yo.
Wait for the beat drop.
Yo.
Yo, Nikki, you're not going anywhere.
You got it, bro.
Nikki, come back.
Oh.
Nikki, you're not gonna be safe. Nikki, you're not safe. You're not safe. You super happy face. He's still following me as well. Yeah, he is. Nikki, where you going? Where does she think she's going? Huh?
There's a once in a while.
Moaning in the mic.
Okay, this Omega has something to say to you. Are you coming?
What you got?
I'm gonna
Yeah,
introduce
what's good,
you
bro?
to an Omega.
Hey, cutie.
No.
Hey.
Nico, I need
Yeah.
Not cutie.
Yeah. Yes, cutie.
No.
I just knew I had a feeling this would happen. Oh! don't like how the boy guy is trying to feel. Anyways, go get your man, Ben. Ben, go get your man over there. He's waiting for you. Okay, well, earlier I saw what you did. Now you're trying to back up and you're trying to avoid it.
Indeed, he is. Why you kinda cute?
He's cute. He's cute.
Hold on, you like me? You like me? Swim!
Yeah.
Yay! You wanna be friends?
Yeah.
Damn!
I wanna be friends with you. I wanna be friends.
No.
I wanna be friends with you. Come here. Come here. Oh man.
He's so deep.
Your phone ringing. Big boy, come pick up your phone.
Come here. Come
Why
here.
you not pick up your phone? Your phone ringing. Your phone going to go to voicemail. Goodbye.
Come here. Yeah. Can you do something for me? No. Come here. Come here. Come here. Can you turn around? Come on. I know you can do that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come here.
What is splashing my ears?
La di la la. La la di do. Yo, no way.
Come here, Pepsi. Come here, Pepsi. Oh,
I never said that.
who's my little Pepsi boy? You is. You're my little Pepsi boy. Who's this one? Come here, yeah. Come here, dance. Oh, yeah. Do a little dance for me. Oh, yeah. Oh, like that. Oh, yeah. Look this big fella. Come here, big fella. Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come here. Come here, big fella. Don't go away. Come here. Where you going?
My name is Xander Dingus.
Come here. Oh, yeah, you're so big and fine. Oh, that's me. Oh, yeah. Tiki. Oh, yeah. Come on, dance for me. Oh, yeah. Thanks. Have a nice day.
So yeah, guys. The video. I accidentally got suspended, guys. No. Bye, guys. That's the video.